Horses out, FC Master pass to begin, moving up on the outside, out of time, Glass Cockpit, together with Bonjour Treasure that comes next in Pip, Admiral Contender, Green Lane, then followed by No Peso, No Dance, Star of Manel, Dynamic Club, and Andy's Rum is the early trailer. Back to the leader, we have C Master by about 3 for Balenga, and on the outside second is Glass Cockpit, 5 lengths away in third, out of time, moving up in between horses now is Star of Manel, Bonjour, running by Drell, Treasure Duck, Admiral Contender, Dynamic Love, Green Lane third last, second last, No Peso, No Dance, and Andy's Ram still racing in last, and it's still C Master by about 2 lengths. Glass Cockpit remains in second, and in third Star of Manel. Treasure Duck is running by Drellport, Bonjour in Pipa, then comes Out of Time and Admiral Contender, and let's still see Master by about 3 lengths is Star of Manel now moving up to take second. Down or inside is Treasure Duck, but let's still see Master by about 3 lengths. Treasure Duck now moving up to take second is Star of Manel, Bonjour, Glass Cockpit, last 75 meters, and I still see Master by about 3 lengths now, and finally see Master, Treasure Duck, Bonjour, then comes Admiral Contender, Glass Cockpit, and Star of Manel.
Iba na yung pwesto ni si Master sa programa. Nanalo.